In this video, we're going to talk about replacing a bent tube run out, how to verify that you have a bent tube, and the easiest way that we have found to help customers replace that bent tube. So if you think you have a bent tube, the easiest thing to do is measure from rotor to rotor. If you're an 1/8 inch or less, your tubes are probably just fine. If you measure an 1/8 inch or more, then you're going to want to dig a little deeper. Digging deeper, you're generally going to have an idea it was either the right side that took the shock, the left side that took the shock, whatever. Pull that side off. At that point, you can either spin the tube and bell assembly and see what you're out. We don't like things to be out more than 30 thousandths tube and bell run out. We've already had a tube and bell run out 30 thousandths, press them apart, put them back together, and they go right back to zero. If you have something more catastrophic than that, then obviously the tube will need replaced. So we'll get into how we suggest to people the easiest way to replace tubes for most racers. Obviously, you'll have to take your bell assembly off on these style rears, the CTs and the SSs, and then remove your hardware. It's a through bolt here with a flange nut. There'll either be 6 of those on a 6 rib or 8 of those on an 8 rib bell. Once they're released and they're out, then what you're going to do, what we have found the easiest thing to do is get yourself a steel nut that fits the end of your tube, weld a strap across it, and always keep a bent axle that will be long enough that you can use that to press on. You'll go over to the press, heat your bell up. We like to see 250 to 300 degrees. If you're using a torch, you must be careful not to concentrate heat in one location. Always keep your torch moving. Slide your axle down through so it rests on the tube with the tube nut with the strap across it, and press down till you press your tube out. Once the tube is out, again, it will require heat on the bell to put your new tube in place. Simply heat your bell up, again, using a torch. Careful not to concentrate heat. Or you can use a barbecue grill or even an oven if you have an old oven to 250 to 300 degrees until your tube will free fall down in place. It's important to pay attention to your birdcage timing. All DMI bells actually have a detent in the front of them, and your replacement tube will also have a slot in it marked at the degree of birdcage timing that's desired. Most times, 99% of them go in at 0 degrees, so you'll find your 0 degree detent, and when you drop your tube down into your bell assembly, you'll simply make sure that you're clicked in on that detent at, say, the 0 degrees, and then you let it come down to room temperature. Once the assembly comes down to room temperature, you'll just drill straight through either your 6 on a 6 rib or 8 holes on an 8 rib, and then put your bolts back through, as well as replace the nuts and tighten it down. We do not have a torque on those. We just tighten them down usually with an impact. If you would like to put a torque on them, I think 40 to 45 foot-pounds would be adequate. The easiest way to put the tube nut back up through is we actually use a 9/16 wrench that we put duct tape over the bottom. That way it keeps the head of the bolt from falling through and holds it in place, and it enables you to push your bolt in through from this direction. Hopefully that makes tube replacement a little bit easier for you. At that point you can just replace your bell and off you go to the races again.